Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Children, we are starting a new topic. You all know my name is Eamon Mughis and it's our 8th lecture now. Continuing with the area, the same topic, area and perimeter. Last week we have completed the perimeter and now we are starting area. And countdown reference pages are 154 to 167. So we have to keep it all these things in mind. Now, area, what is area? Area is the total surface covered by a shape or an object. That is, when we talk about perimeter, we only talk about the boundaries, but when we talk about the area, it is the total surface, that is the size of the surface. And you can see it on the screens that area is measured in square units like centimeter square and meter square. So in the case of perimeter, perimeter is the distance around an object. You can see the arrows around the rectangle, but area is the total rectangle amount of space an object takes up. That is, the whole blue area is the area, but the arrows are showing the perimeter. Now next slide, where the similar example, last time I told you that if your parents want to put a fence around a lawn or anything, so they need to measure the boundaries. But if they want to put a new carpet in your room, how will they know how much carpet to buy? Definitely by measuring the area, they would come to know that how much carpet they are required for putting it in your room. So that is the difference of area and perimeter. That is, they have to measure the length and the width and then multiply length and width, and that is what we are telling you, that it is the total surface covered. It is not only the boundaries. So area is the figure of a figure, is the number of square unit that covers the surface of the closed figure. So very practical or routine example is in front of you, that you can see on in your homes, the big squares on the floor, the tiles. So the tiles are the example of square units. Said that you divide the whole surface into square units, the number of square units, and then you tell that person that this much number of squares I need to cover the whole floor of my home, and then person send the number of square tiles to your home, and you ask a person to put it on your floor, and this way you cover your floor with a beautiful tile. So that is the example, very you can say close example of your routine life. Now the area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it take to cover its surface. That is, how many square units. Square units का मतलब ये होता है, units, square unit हम क्यों कहते हैं, why do we call it square unit? Because square unit is all the squares are having same dimension. That is square of 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means length is 2, width is 2. Square of 1 by 1, length is 1, width is 1. So that is what that is what we call square unit. Okay, all the squares are having same dimension. All the squares are having same dimension. Now area of a square, so definitely we are going to find out area of different shapes. So first of all, the simple shape and the most simplest shape is square. In the perimeter, I told you that square is a shape which is having a property of having all four sides equal. So in perimeter, what we do, we multiply the length by 4 because all four sides are same, so there is no need to write L plus L plus L plus L. Now in area, what do we have to do? We multiply L multiply by L. Why we are writing it so? Because length and width are same. What is length? That is width. For example, here it is given in the example that 5 centimeter is length and 5 centimeter is width. So if a shape is having all sides equal, that shape is known as square. To find out of area of a square, we need to multiply length and width, but as in square both are same, so for the formula for finding out the square of area of a square is, area of a square is equals to length multiplied by length is equals to L square. So that is very simple. Now here you can see we have shown different square units. What are the square units? I told you that length is same, width is same, that is square unit. So area, one is 1 centimeter. First square is 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter width, so it is 1 by 1 square. Now here you can see that 1 centimeter squares are 4. So here the width is 2 and length is 2. So 2 by 2 का area 4 centimeter square बन गया. Now here how many square units are there? We can easily measure. Kaise? You can see that on the top 1, 2 and 3. 3 are here and 1, 2, 3. 3 are here. So it is a square unit square of 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 square unit means 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 centimeter square. So this is what we are telling you, that square unit is 9 centimeter square. each square is having same dimension, length is same, width is same. Now the area of last is having 4 squares in the row and 4 squares in the column. So 4 by 4 square unit is 16 centimeter square. 4 multiplied by 4, 4 fours are 16. So 16 centimeter square, and each square is having unit length and width. Unit means 1 by 1, and there are so many 1 by 1 squares and making 16 centimeter square area. Now coming to the next slide, what is, now this is the example which you have to do in the practice, and the same you are going to follow for the book questions. What is what is the area of a square that has a side of 8 centimeters, say? So you are going to write it like this: data, length of square is L is equals to 8 centimeter. Area, you have to find out solution. You will write area of a square. We know that it is L multiplied by L. So area is equals to 8 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, giving 64 centimeter square. 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. Now another thing, that is find the area of a square. This you have to do yourself, and say 8 yards it is written, you can find it out at 8 centimeter. This is what we have done in the example. And the other one is 4 feet likha hua hai, aap 4 centimeter hi kar lein isko bhi, and you have to find out the area. This is your homework, so please take a picture of it so that I'm waiting for you, and then I will be moving on. Okay, next slide. Find out the area of a square. And again, we have the square, one side is 7 meter, and the second square one side is 13 centimeter. So 7 meter and 13 centimeter squares are there, and you have to measure the sides. So this is how you have to do it, children. I hope you are understanding, and I hope you can do it. Tomorrow I'm going to check these questions also along with along with this. So this is what we have done, 8 centimeter or 8 yard. But this is your real homework, so please take a picture of it. I'm waiting, and you have to keep on practicing it. 7 meters you have to, this way you have to keep on practicing. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.